Starting around 03 October 2023, Star Atlas DAO explicitly is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in essentially most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very huge. Polis generally has a really complete market cap of $17,348,309, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331, which especially is genuinely huge. This certainly makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, in every way that really matters, positioning at 612 in the digital money market, which basically is genuinely huge. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO truly be worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Star Atlas DAO a sort of wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023, which is very critical? Will Polis value sort of outperform its record-breaking high, which really is very huge? These basically are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future in a significant manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023, as per the Star Atlas DAO estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost truly is supposed to in a real sense cross a truly normal value level of 12 cents, the normal pretty least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to be 12 cents in an every practical sense, large way. Besides, Polis can generally arrive at a greatest value level of 13 cents, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is fundamentally anticipated to especially reach it in an every practical sense, least worth of $0.096 in August 2023. Which explicitly shows that Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value forecast 2023 as per the Star Atlas DAO figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Polis value sort of is supposed to generally cross a kind of normal value level of 12 cents, the normal all things considered, least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to in every way that really matters be 12 cents in an unpretentious way. The Polis cost could generally arrive at in every practical sense, greatest worth of 11 cents, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 11 cents, all through 2023 incredibly. Star Atlas DAO value expectation September 2023, Star Atlas DAO value sort of is supposed to in a real sense reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023. While the very normal cost of Polis for the September in a real sense stays around 11 cents. Star Atlas DAO value estimate October 2023, the very normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, could generally go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023. Demonstrating the way that the Polis cost could explicitly arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of 11 cents, with the especially normal exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023, in a really significant manner. Polis could truly be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of 12 cents, with the very least expected cost of 11 cents, in a fundamentally significant manner. Polis value gauge November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Star Atlas DAO explicitly is supposed to by and large arrive at a sort of least value worth of 11 cents in a huge manner. The Polis cost could generally arrive at an extremely greatest cost of 12 cents, with the kind of typical cost around 12 cents, or so they basically thought. Star Atlas DAO value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is supposed to sort of be at around a sort of least of 12 cents. Star Atlas DAO cost can explicitly arrive at a sort of limit of 13 cents, with the really normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, exhibiting that these truly are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense, past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto essentially has been by and large diminished by 3.34% in its fundamentally current worth, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we generally think about the exceptionally current market cap of the Polis with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap by and large is likewise down. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Polis by and large was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 18.52%, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO for the most part has shown areas of strength for especially of potential of late, And this could be genuinely great chance to dive right in and fundamentally put resources into a genuinely huge way especially. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Polis in a real sense diminished by 55.184%, wiping out an incredible in every practical sense, normal amount of 14 cents from its by and large current worth in a genuinely huge manner. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be a kind of good basically purchase an open door for truly speedy interest in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will for the most part be Star Atlas DAO truly worth in 2023, or so they sort of thought. The Polis cost really is determined to in every practical sense arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 13 cents, with exceptionally least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023. Sort of additional appearance how Polis could especially be exchanging around a kind of most extreme worth of 12 cents, with the especially least expected cost of 11 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. Star's Atlas DAO generally have a future in an all things considered significant way. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO generally has an extraordinary exceptionally potential to generally arrive at new levels, demonstrating the way that Polis could explicitly be exchanging around a sort of greatest worth of 12 cents, with the genuinely least expected cost of 11 cents in a significant manner. It most certainly is figure that Polis will increment in esteem, showing how Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense, past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto fundamentally has been especially diminished by 3.34% in its genuinely current worth in a huge manner. As per by and large unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Star Atlas DAO can especially stir things up around town of the greatest cost of $0.024 till 2030, showing how Star Atlas DAO value expectation September 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost for the most part is supposed to basically reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023, while the for the most part normal cost of Polis for the September truly remains around 11 cents. Star Atlas DAO value gauge October 2023, the exceptionally normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, could truly go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023. Demonstrating the way that the Polis cost could for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest worth of 11 cents, with the in every practical sense, normal exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023, in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Is Star Atlas DAO in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is genuinely huge? Star Atlas DAO's incentive generally is supposed to explicitly keep on demonstrating the way that Polis could explicitly be exchanging around a very greatest worth of 12 cents, with the by and large least expected cost of 11 cents, which for the most part is very critical. Kindly note, there really is a gamble to any venture, which in a real sense shows that the Polis cost explicitly is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest degree of 13 cents, with sort of least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2020.